Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. If today's your first time, like, where have you been? On this channel, we do product review of the products we have used and the ones that our customers have used and they recommend that they are really good products. So today's video, we are going to review the Tonic S X Tea. I don't want to shout. So this is the product we are going to review today. This product is especially recommended particularly for men. It's a tea and it contains 40 tea bags, which means you have to take them for 20 days. It helps for low sperm count, weak erection, poor ejaculation. It helps for stress. It helps for insomnia. So in case you have any of those things, I recommend you take this tea 100%. What you do is that you warm your water at 70 degrees. You put one tea bag inside that water. You take it in the morning, first thing on an empty stomach, and also you take it in the evening, last thing before you go to bed. No sugar, no milk. It also helps to clean your system, like clean your general system. If you're a man, you also have waist pain, this tea helps to clean your system. So that's basically all about this tea. So if you have any other questions about this tea, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and I am going to answer. If you need this tea, you are anywhere around Cameroon, just contact me and I'll get back to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Share my videos to all your friends, their groups, all those your friends that you know they have issue. Share my videos so that they come and acquire knowledge for free. All these products I'm doing review, they are free products review. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video.